It's Darren Wood here at DrinkTech 2017 and I'm with Duncan on the ATG stand. Duncan, it's been nearly a year since we last caught up with you. What have you been doing in that year period?
Well, we've been doing much more in the drink sector, Darren, and it's a focus that we're putting a lot of attention on at the moment. And one is our participation here at DrinkTech, which is our first presence here. It's a significantly big drinks exhibition globally, and we're really pleased to be here. We've also invested more in product development. We've got a few new innovations that we've introduced.
You mentioned new developments. Please tell me about the specifics of these.
Well, in the period since we last met, Darren, one major international soft drinks bottler has introduced new specifications for UV equipment, so not just any treatment equipment, and they're quite stringent and challenging, but we've made sure that we can meet all those requirements. And they relate to whether the UV is going to be used for primary disinfection, and there the UV dose would require to be validated at 120 millijoules per square centimetre. That's high, and that's required for virus protection. Or whether it's for secondary disinfection, where the validated UV dose would be 40 millijoules per square centimetre. But in addition, they've required certain hardware developments which relate to the information that the UV systems display to the operators. And this would be the UV transmittance of the water, and also the log reduction on the challenge organism that the particular bottling plant is concerned with. And we've made sure that we've met all those requirements in our new developments.
Being able to adhere to those standards, and lofty standards I might add, that's quite a coup for ATG, isn't it?
Yes, it is, and we reacted very quickly when we saw that they'd been released, and not easy to comply with, and especially the validation requirements, because this is a serious investment in third-party work, and it's not something that can be done just in-house. And we feel we've reacted very quickly to this new challenge.
And consumer base has gone up as well, with more regions that you're supplying products to?
Yes, that's right. We're increasing our coverage in Asia, Europe especially, continue our growth in areas such as Australasia, South Africa, and yes, we're seeing significant growth in these areas.
Interesting to note that there's more of a focus on the food and beverage sector from ATG now, isn't there?
Yes, more than ever, Darren. I think, say, if we go back 5 years, it was relatively minor compared to these other sectors, but now it's something that is at the forefront of our interest and focus.
Well, how do you believe ATG stands out from the crowd compared to other competitors?
Flexibility, I would say. Being a privately owned company, we can make decisions very quickly, and new product development, for example, which may take other organisations years to decide on and invest in, at ATG we can act very quickly on that. And products that were only a concept, say maybe 6 months before, are brought to market very quickly. And that flexibility also enables us to offer flexible options where customers have specific requirements. An example is that specification I referred to. We can act very quickly and respond to those customer needs.
What's in the future then, Duncan?
Well, we may identify further sectors for development. One possibility may be advanced oxidation processes, but we want to consolidate as well in the areas where we've already been very successful, including food and beverage.
And I'm sure we'll have more on this on foodbev.com very soon. Duncan, thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Darren.